Hello viewers. Hope you have enjoyed my last session of my video. My name is Malay Karmakar and you are watching my channel The Delta Academy. If you like my videos, please put lots of share and likes and lots of share to my channel and subscribe to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about the PPF account in banks and post office and its various information and eligibility criteria. Post Office PPF account interest rate 2022. PPF account is a government backed scheme in India. Therefore, the PPF interest rate remains uniform across all post offices and banks that offer this facility. The applicable rate of interest is announced by the Ministry of Finance every quarter. The current PPF interest rate in post office is 7.10%. The Ministry of Finance kept the PPF interest rate unchanged from the last quarter. Also, the interest payment are made on 31st March every year. The post office PPF interest rate is calculated based on the minimum balance on in an investor's account between the fifth day and the last day of every month. Hence, it is better to make PPF deposit on or before the fifth of the particular month. This will help the investor to earn interest on the deposit amount for the entire month. Additionally, the rate of interest earned on a PPF account paid account post office is also exempted from tax under the Income Tax Act 1961. Eligibility to open a PPF plan in post office. The following is the eligibility criteria to open a PPF account in a post office. An individual who either works for a private company or in pension or is pensioner or self-employed or is a part of any other similar category can open a post office PPF account in a post office. An individual can open only one account under their name. In case they open two accounts, the principal amount of the second account will be refunded without interest and the account will be closed. A mother or father can open a PPF account, not both, on behalf of their child. In case of the mother or father, the child cannot continue the account. In such cases, the account will be closed and the amount will be refunded. An NRI cannot open a PPF account. In case they open the account will while residing in India, the account will remain active until maturity. One can open a PPF account only at double-handed post offices or above. Document required for opening a post office PPF account. The following are the list of documents required for PPF account: ID proof, Aadhaar card or passport or driving license or voter card, etc. Address proof, Aadhaar card, passport or driving license, etc. A permanent account number, PAN card, a passport size photograph, nomination form E. How to open a PPF account in post office? The process of opening a PPF account in a post office is currently paper based. Hence, it requires a physical presence in a nearby post office. The following is the procedure to open a PPF account in post office. Open PPF offline through post office. Firstly, one has to procure an account open application form from the nearest post office or sub office. After filling the application form, it must be submitted at the nearby post office along with self-attested copies of KYC document like PAN card, Aadhaar card, or voter card and passport size photograph. And in initial deposit of rupees 500 is required via check or draft for opening account opening. Initially, individual are allowed to make a maximum deposit of Indian rupees 70,000. However, the maximum deposit allowed in a financial year is up to rupees 1.5 lakhs. After all, the relevant documents are submitted along with the initial deposit. The PPF account passbook is handed over to the individual. The passbook contains details such as PPF account number, name of the account holder, and branch name. Furthermore, one can visit to know more about their PPF account details in post office. Open post office PPF account online. There is no facility to open a PPF account in post office online. However, one can download the application form for opening a PPF account online through the post office website. Furthermore, after the PPF account is opened, individual can deposit money in their Indian Post PPF online. They need to visit the post office once for the account opening process. Features of a PPF post office PPF account. The following are the main features of the PPF post office scheme. Minimum amount. The minimum amount that can be deposited every year is rupees 500. This also helps to keep the account active. Maximum amount. The maximum amount that can be deposited in a financial year is 1.5 lakhs. Maturity period. A PPF account matures every 15 years. After 15 years. However, an individual has an option to extend the duration by a block of 5 years. Also, a further extension does not require any additional investment. Loan facility. Individual can avail loan against their PPF account. However, they can avail the loan between the third and fifth year. Also, the loan amount cannot exceed 25% of the second financial year's investment. Nomination facility. Nominees can be added at time of account opening or after the account is opened. Taxation. The contribution made towards PPF account are tax free under section 80C of the Income Tax Act 1961. Also, the interest earned on this contribution is tax exempted. In withdrawal, individuals can withdraw their investment from the account before maturity. However, they can withdraw only a partial amount. Therefore, only 50% of the PPF balance at the end of fourth year or 50% at the balance of the preceding year, whichever is lower, can be withdrawn. Premature closure. Individuals cannot close their account before the maturity period, that is 15 years. Mode of payment. Individual can make payment in lump sum or a maximum of 12 installment in a financial year. Minor account. Individual who have already opened an account can open another account on behalf of a minor. Joint account. Individual can open a PPF account only on their name. PPF does not allow joint accounts. So this is the details about the PPF account in banks and post office. Hope you have enjoyed this session. I'm stopping here today.